Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Phyllanthus imblica, also known as Indian gooseberry or Amla. Now, picture this, a deciduous tree belonging to the family Phylanthaceae, reaching a modest height of 1 to 8 meters. Its bark is beautifully mottled, and the branchlets, about 10 to 20 centimeters long, are finely pubescent. Take a look at these gorgeous leaves, simple and light green, closely set along the branchlets, giving the tree a unique appearance. And those greenish-yellow flowers, nature's little marvels. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the fruit. Nearly spherical, light greenish-yellow, with a smooth and hard appearance, featuring 6 vertical stripes. Wild ones weigh around 5.5 grams, but cultivated fruits can range from 28.4 to 56 grams. What makes this fruit truly special are its chemical constituents. Packed with ascorbic acid, or good old vitamin C, the bitterness comes from a density of allagitannins, including imblicinin A, imblicinin B, puniglucanin, and pedunculogen. Amla is a powerhouse of nutrients. Now, let's explore its culinary journey. Amla can be enjoyed raw or cooked, but in South Asia, it often takes a flavorful turn. Pickled with salt, oil, and spices, it adds a zing to dishes like dal. And have you heard of Amla maraba? A sweet delight made by candying the berries in sugar syrup. Delicious. Beyond its culinary charm, Amla holds a special place in Ayurveda. Both dried and fresh fruits are common constituents in Ayurvedic preparations, contributing to traditional medicine. Speaking of tradition, in the Batak area of Sumatra, Indonesia, the inner bark even imparts a unique taste to a traditional fish soup called holat. Now, let's touch on the cultural significance. In the Buddhist tradition, the imblic myrobalan holds a special place. The Satapankasaka beautifully describes Buddha's knowledge, comparing it to an ambalan fruit in the palm of one's hand. And did you know that Emperor Ashoka gifted half an amla fruit to the Buddhist Sangha? It's illustrated in the Ashoka Vedana, portraying the transition from being Lord of Jambudvipa to being Lord of half a myrobalan. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Phyllanthus imblica, a tree that not only graces the landscapes of tropical and southern Asia but also plays a role in our culinary adventures and cultural traditions. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the bell for notifications. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.